Hi, this is a story about a woman named Lisa and how one small decision changed her whole life. This story is not about being perfect. It is not about being fast. It is about taking one step every day. Let's begin. Scene 1, Lisa's routine. Lisa was 32 years old. She lived in a small apartment. She had a good job. Her life was okay, but every day after work, she came home, sat on the couch, and turned on the TV. One show, then another, then one more. Sometimes she watched TV for 4 hours, sometimes more. She didn't feel happy, but she didn't know what else to do. Scene 2, a simple question. One evening, after a long day, Lisa sat with her dinner on her lap. The TV was on, again. She was watching a show she had seen many times before. Suddenly, a question came to her mind. What could I do if I used just 1 hour for something better? She turned off the TV and sat in silence. It was a small moment, but something inside her changed. Scene 3, the first hour. The next day, Lisa came home from work. She felt tired, she wanted to watch TV again, but she remembered her question. So she made a choice. 1 hour. Just one. She took an old guitar from the closet. She had bought it years ago, but never learned. She looked at a video on her phone, Guitar for Beginners. She played for 10 minutes. Her fingers hurt. She smiled. After 1 hour, she stopped. And then she turned on the TV. But it felt different. Scene 4, small steps. Every day after work, Lisa gave 1 hour to something new. One day, guitar. Another day, she opened an app to learn Spanish. Hola, she said quietly. It felt strange. It felt exciting. Some days she was tired. Some days she was busy, but still, she tried. Just 1 hour, no more, no less. Scene 5, 6 months later. 6 months passed. Lisa could now play 3 songs on her guitar, simple ones but full of feeling. She could speak in Spanish for 5 minutes, slowly but with confidence. She was proud. She felt alive. She still watched TV sometimes, but now she had a new habit, 1 hour a day just for growth. Final thoughts. Lisa didn't change her life in one day. She didn't stop watching TV forever. She didn't become a star, but she did something powerful. She took back her time. She used 1 hour a day to grow, to learn, to become more than she was. What about you? Maybe you have 1 hour. Maybe you don't know what to do with it, but if you use it well, it can change your life too. Because time is not just hours on a clock. Time is life. Don't waste it.